In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who changed rows in Smartsheet. This is a quick and reliable way to understand exactly what happened on your sheet, who made the change, and when it occurred, which is especially helpful for auditing, troubleshooting, or just keeping your project organized. Start by opening the sheet you want to review. At the very top, next to your sheet's title, you'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options menu. Click that icon to open the menu. You'll notice a panel or window that shows activity information for the sheet. This is where you can focus on the specific types of updates you care about. Look for the field labeled Action. This filter lets you narrow the log to just the kind of activity you want. Open the Action field and choose Row Changes. Selecting Row Changes tells Smartsheet you want to see edits made directly to rows, such as values entered, cells updated, or rows added or deleted. Once Row Changes is selected, go ahead and apply your filters. Click Apply Filters to refresh the view. After a moment, you'll see a list of entries appear below. These entries represent each change that matched your filter. The list is typically sorted by time, so the most recent updates appear at the top, making it easy to review what's happened lately. Click any entry to open the details. Here, you'll be able to see who made the change, the exact time it occurred, and what was modified. If multiple cells in a row were changed, you'll see a breakdown of those edits, which helps you understand the full context of the update. This level of detail is perfect for validating data, confirming approvals, or simply tracing an unexpected value back to its source. If you don't see what you expect right away, double-check that Row Changes is selected in the Action field and that your filters are applied. Keep in mind, your ability to view certain activity can depend on your permission level within the sheet. If you have limited access, some information may not be visible. That's the entire process. Open your sheet, click the 3-dot icon beside the title, choose the Action field, select Row Changes, apply your filters, and then review the entries below. Click into any entry to view the full details of the row change. With this approach, you'll always have a clear record of who changed what and when, and that's it.